former chieftaincy of Military Intelligence, CMI Director, Major General James Birungi, has been remanded to Makindye Military Barracks after the General Court Martial denied his application for bail due to a failure to present acceptable sureties. Major General Birungi appeared before the General Court Martial sitting at Makindye and chaired by Brigadier General Richard Tokashongorwa. The senior military officer is facing charges related to offences against security and treachery. The court scheduled July 31, 2026 as the date for delivering its judgment in his case. The former intelligence chief, who previously aided the chieftaincy of military intelligence before it was renamed the chieftaincy of defense intelligence and security, CDIS, was arrested in August 2025. He is accused, together with several other Uganda People's Defense Forces UPDF officers, of participating in an alleged scheme involving the fabrication of intelligence reports to fraudulently obtain operational funds. According to the prosecution, the alleged false intelligence reports were also connected to security operations in which civilians were reportedly shot and later presented as suspected suicide bombers. Among the incidents under investigation are operations at Kalere Market and near the Catholic Shrine in Munyonyo during the No Matters Day celebrations. These allegations have attracted significant public attention because they involve both financial accountability and the conduct of military intelligence operations. While Major General Birungi remained in custody, the General Court Martial granted bail to two of his co-accused officers after they fulfilled the required conditions. Brigadier General James Ruhesi was released on a cash bail of Uganda shillings 10 million and a non-cash bond of Uganda shillings 25 million secured by sureties. Major General Mugume, who faces similar charges, was also granted bail after meeting the court's requirements. His bail conditions include a cash payment of Uganda shillings 4 million and a non-cash bond of Uganda shillings 10 million backed by sureties. However, not all the accused officers secured their temporary freedom. Colonel David Kidega and Captain Kenneth Labwon Kinyera were remanded after they failed to present acceptable sureties before the court. Both officers are expected to reappear on July the 31st, 2026. Lieutenant Paddy Naibwa was also remanded and is scheduled to return before the General Court Martial in August the 31st, 2026. Proceedings in the high-profile case have been conducted under tight security at Makindye Military Barracks, with access to the courtroom restricted for members of the media. The case has continued to generate national interest because it involves senior military officers in allegations concerning intelligence operations and accountability within the UPDF. The prosecution stems from findings of a board of inquiry established to investigate intelligence and counterterrorism operations within the military. The inquiry was chaired by the Deputy Chiefs of Defense Forces, Lieutenant General Sam Okiding. The ongoing proceedings are regarded as one of the most significant military accountability cases in recent years, with the General Court Martial expected to deliver key decisions as the trial progresses later this month. And all these are under the watch of CDF General Muhoozi Kainugaba.